Hi everybody, this is Cool Kid 23 again, and today my sister Nina is gonna show you how to do the amazing coffee gun. Now here she is now. Say hi, Nina. Okay, she's gonna show you how. She's gonna do a quick demonstration, and then she's gonna show you how to do it. Wait. Go ahead, Nina.
Like this.
No, you're going to show them a demonstration first.
Mean just do it first?
Yes, just do it. And now she's going to show you how to do it.
So, you want wood. So while you're doing that, you put your leg out in the front, whichever leg, you're doing right or left. So, you do this, you squat front, and then you go around keeping that leg straight. Okay, let's do it faster.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this is how I'm going to do it.
My name is Nina again.
This is how I'm going to do it now. Okay.
So this is how you first start. Go like that. Wow,
that's
starting to
And you
look
go like
good.
this. You go like this, lean your foot like that, jump over it, and then take it back around. And now let's do it fast.
Okay.
And that's it for
No,
today.
that's not it. That's
Okay.
not it.
That's not it. My sister wants to show you something.
A jump turn.
A
So
jump
you go
turn.
like this and then you squeeze it like
Oh.
I'm pretty bad because I just now learned it this Saturday. And today's Sunday, which was yesterday. So that's how you do a jump turn and a coffee gun. Yay! Bye bye.
In the next video, we're gonna do Minecraft. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna see how I'm gonna play Minecraft. Now stay cool.